Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be diving down into what is known as Coinstrat. If you guys don't know what Coinstrat is, this is a rising platform in the digital asset financial service, providing retail investors with trading, custody, interest earning accounts, and crypto-backed loans, along with dual investment and security solutions. Now, before we continue, please keep in mind that no, I am not a financial advisor. Also means that this is not financial advice. So make sure you do your own due diligence and you do your own research. So kicking it off with three important topics. We have what is known as the dual investment. Then we have what is known as the savings account. And we also have what is known as borrow against your crypto. Mind you, ladies and gentlemen, that this platform has over 1 million verified customers, along with 350 global institutions, and they technically have handled over $100 million in assets. So getting right into it, we have dual investment. We're talking about double the profit. With dual investment on Coinstrat, you can do what is known as a buy low and sell high. You can earn extra guaranteed profit up to 300% without risk of losing your capital. So the benefits of the dual investment, well, you can buy low or sell high. You can buy digital assets at low prices or sell digital assets at high prices. And then you have what is known as high yields. You can earn great passive income no matter which direction the market goes. And then they actually have a wide selection. So you can choose from a variety of assets and set the desired target date and price. And best thing about this is there is no transaction fee. Technically, once the target has been reached, all the orders, they are filled. And then we have the Coinstrat saving account. You can actually get up to 10% interest on savings with Coinstrat savings account. Interest is acquired every single day and it is paid every 2 weeks. There are no hidden costs, no minimum balance required, and technically there are no limits. So you guys can see right over here on the left side, it does state, let's see how much you can get. So for example, ladies and gentlemen, if we have Bitcoin and our crypto amount is 10,000 and we go for a total of 10 years, you guys can see that the total USD interest over 10 years, that is absolutely massive. And then they have what are called crypto-backed loans. So technically you can borrow money against your own crypto. So we're talking about you can borrow with preferential interest rates. So there's a perfect example on the right side. If you're looking to get a loan amount of 10,000, well, technically your collateral is going to be 1.05 Bitcoin. That is what you're going to need to put up front. So say no more to cashing out on your crypto. At Coinstrat, you can collateralize your crypto asset for a loan. That way you can still receive cash and keep your crypto while waiting for the price appreciation. Now, you guys are probably thinking, how can I trust any type of crypto platform today, especially with all the shady stuff happening? Well, let me tell you, Coinstrat funds, they are actually secured and they are insured by BitGo, right? So they announced to appoint BitGo as the prime custody, which is a big company. So the company funds are secured and insured by BitGo $700 million insurance program. So that means if something happened to your crypto or your money, just know that you are going to be covered, which is important. I mean, if we continue down, you guys will see one of the biggest things here, as stated, was the dual investments, right? So Coinstrat became one of the first crypto platforms to provide what's known as a high yield dual investment for its clients. And technically, since then, the company started to attract new and seasoned crypto enthusiasts who seek higher profits and still maintain relatively low risk. So it's important, guys, that you understand that they are safe and they are secured, not to mention, but they are also insured. So as we were just talking about, Coinstrat offers what is known as a high yield dual investment. But what is it and why are so many people attracted to it? Well, if we take a look to the downside, you guys can see where it states Coinstrat dual investment, you can earn interest immediately. We're talking about a high APY with no permanent loss. So dual investment It is a disruptive innovation of the financial investment industry that is ingeniously applied to the cryptocurrency space. And the reason for the dual investment, well, dual investment carries a mission to unchain investors from old, complicated, low return, and high recurrent financial products. Spontaneously, it provides a breakthrough of financial access opportunity for all people around the world, regardless of their class, location, and assets. So how does the dual investment work? Now, that is a great question. Well, the dual investment, what it does is it overcomes the weakness of the old investment methods, which depend on technical and fundamental analysis models and have existed for over hundreds of years. So moreover, it offers new options with higher returns, a limited risk without causing serious loss of investors' money. So how does dual investment work? Well, dual investment is a strategy to generate passive income in both ways, regardless of the market trends. So it is characterized by a high profit generation, short waiting time with clearly defined income terms before deciding to enter an order. So investors will not encounter unexpected situations when participating. And then if we take a look right here, ladies and gents, to put it into basic terms, we're talking about strike price, we're talking about APY, and we're talking about a delivery date. So dual investment, this is a two-way money making method. And if you guys would like to, you're more than welcome to check all of this out. Now, I gotta let you guys know right now, for the dual investment, they're talking about an unlimited profit bonus program. So what is this? Well, we're talking about a 50% of bonus unlimited profit. The more you invest, obviously, the more you get. So they are pleased to announce the 50% unlimited profit bonus program for new customers using the Coinstrat dual investment product for the first time. Now, details, well, new accounts opening and executing the first 3 dual investment orders will receive an additional 50% of the profit of those 3 orders. You guys, a great opportunity. So obviously, you guys can see right here, they have eligible criteria. So make sure you follow this information. And then they got how to join. Well, very easy and simple. All you got to do is register, create a brand new account, make a deposit, and execute 3 dual investment orders and get 50% first bonus profits. Now, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Now, ladies and gentlemen, once you have officially signed up, if you have not, there are links down below to the downside in the comments. However, right here, you guys can see we have our dashboard. Now, everything that we have talked about in this video is technically going to be here in the dashboard. So we're talking about where we have the savings accounts, dual investment, you can borrow crypto, you can swap, a lot of different things here, okay? So right here, you guys can see that we are aiming for the dual investment. If we continue, and you can see where it states choose an asset. We got the Bitcoin, and then we have Ethereum. So the APY, absolutely crazy here. So for Bitcoin, we're talking about 3% to 152%, and Ethereum, we're talking about 12% all the way up to 180%. So it almost seems like Ethereum is possibly the better offer here. So down to the downside, we got choose payments. So you have different options. You can sell high with Bitcoin, you can buy low with USDT, you can sell high with Ethereum, or you can buy low with Bitcoin-Ethereum. Whatever you'd like to do. Many different choices with attractive rewards. So for example, we have target prices on the far left, and then we have the APY that you could potentially receive. So you guys can see right here, a few of these, look at that, 152%, absolutely crazy. And then we got one right here for 116%, and we got one right here for 60%, one for 40%, and it just continues on and on. If we continue down, you guys will see there's actually many different pages that you're able to check out. For example, we even have some more here down to the downside. You guys can see, technically, we've already have some that are subscribed, and we've also been paid on quite a few of these. So these are our recent transactions, so you guys can know that we've actually been doing this, all right? So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to buy low USDT, and we're just gonna pick one of these. So let's say we wanna pick this one right here, for a total of 17,900, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and subscribe to this. So we're gonna go ahead and smash up that max button. Now, before you guys can do any of this, you have to make sure that you deposit funds into the platform. Okay, you have to do that. And once you have done that, once everything is cleared, and then you can do the borrowing savings accounts, or if you'd like to, you can also do the dual investment, which is getting a massive amount of attention. So you guys got right here, it states how much we will get, right? It tells us when the payment price is. So if you'd like to, you're more than welcome to choose whatever you want. It's up to you. Minimum investment obviously is 1 USDT. Maximum is 10 million. All right. So all the info is right here, ladies and gents. So we're going to go ahead and smash up that I have read and agree the terms and policy of the dual investment. And then we're going to click on sign up. So right now we're doing a total, ladies and gentlemen, of 167. So once we have smashed up that button, you can see where it states subscribe successfully. You have registered an order with a quantity of 167 USDT. So please wait for payment date. So once that payment date comes, ladies and gents, well, hopefully we're going to be able to receive our money. All right. So very, very important. You guys go and check this out. I mean, you're more than welcome, as stated, to go to your dashboard. Once you go to your dashboard, you guys, here's going to be all of your important information. You guys can see here is our recent trades, right? So just go and check this out, ladies and gents. Put in a little bit of money and see if you like it. If you have not, be sure that you register. Okay, there is a link down below to the downside. All you got to do is put in your first name, last name, email, password, and pretty much that is it. So there's going to be a referral code as well. So make sure you guys use that so you can get some juicy profits.